Namaskar. Today I am Prachika Saini with you all from the exhibition showcase, and today we are attending the show, the New Delhi World Book Fair 2026, which is live happening at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi from January 10 to 18, 2026. A global platform where stories, learning, innovation, and the future of reading meet under one roof.
New Delhi World Book Fair 2026 is being hosted in Bharat Mandapam, hall number 226 from 10 to 18th of January. Entry for the event is absolutely free. You can participate and come with your family and friends and enjoy. The theme of the book fair is Indian military history, valor and wisdom at 75. That means we are going to document 75 years story of Indian Armed Forces, Indian military history, their valor and wisdom. In the form of books, discussions, authors, various writers, a lot of exhibitions are played here. Complete digital gallery has been created and more than 50 wartime documentaries have been prepared. So altogether it's a very special moment to commemorate contribution of our armed forces. We do have an exhibition on Sardar Patel at 150. We have an exhibition on Vande Mataram at 150. Qatar is our guest of honor country. Spain is our focus country. We have a dedicated international corner. We have an amphitheater where cultural performances can be enjoyed. Dedicated children pavilion for children. And all together it's going to be a great festivity around books for next 9 days. So I appeal and invite each one of you to come. Entry is absolutely free.
What makes it unmissable? Over 50 plus countries participate, more than 1000 plus publishers from India and across the world, 3000 plus stores filled with books, ideas and inspiration, and 600 plus events shaping conversations on education, literature and knowledge. And the theme for 2026 is Indian military history, valor and wisdom at the rate 75, celebrating the courage, sacrifice and legacy of India's defense forces through literature and knowledge.
प्रभात प्रकाशन के स्टॉल में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है। पुस्तकों के इस विशाल प्रदर्शनी में आप देख रहे हैं किस प्रकार से उत्साह लोगों में दिख रहा है। छोटे बच्चे, युवा सब आकर अपनी रुचि की पुस्तकें देख रहे हैं। इन्हें ये पुस्तक मेला निःशुल्क रखा है, यानी बिना किसी शुल्क के आप प्रवेश पा सकते हैं। इस बार मेले का थीम है शौर्य पराक्रम और भारतीय मेधा। तो हम सब ने भारतीय सेनाओं के शूरवीर का, उसके पराक्रम का हम सब लोगों ने अभी अनुभव देखा ही है। जिस प्रकार के कार्यक्रम जो घटनाक्रम हुआ हम सब ने देखा है उसको, तो उस सब का एक उत्साह यहाँ सृजित हो रहा है, लोग देख रहे हैं। साथ में जिस विकसित भारत की हम कल्पना कर रहे हैं 2047 तक जैसा समाज हम चाहते हैं, उसके लिए ज्ञान संपन्न समाज बनाना बहुत आवश्यक है। तो अतः इस पुस्तक मेले में आप आइए, अपनी रुचि की पुस्तकें देखिए। हम लोग बहुत उत्साहित हैं जिस प्रकार का यहाँ पे आज जोश लोगों में दिख रहा है। आइए, स्वागत है।
Exhibitor in the World Book Fair, as in by the name Amazing Book. Today is our first day. Few hours to go, but it's very good response from everyone, and I'm very happy with it. And I want this Amazing Book to be a very book in the. It's the ocean of books, so I want everyone to come and explore and just dive in the ocean of books.
From Tree Shade Books, and we are very delighted to be here at the New Delhi World Book Fair. We have been coming here a year after a year, and our experience with NBT and this book fair has been phenomenal. Again, we are here with our best-selling books, with our new releases, and we are seeing a lot of crowd here, which is very encouraging for us as a publisher. And we are looking forward to a great fair this year.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर ऋषि राजा, मैं ऑथर हूँ, लेखक हूँ और घुमक्कड़ हूँ। और आज यहाँ पर वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर में हूँ 2026। बहुत ही शानदार माहौल है यहाँ पर, और विशेष करके जो आर्मी पर्सनल्स को जो यहाँ पे डेडिकेट किया गया इस बार का थीम, वो अमेजिंग है। तो जो भी लोग हमारी आर्मी से प्यार करते हैं, जो यंगस्टर्स आर्मी में जाना चाहते हैं, मैं उन सबको कहूँगा कि एक बार यहाँ पर मेले में ज़रूर आएँ, देखें किस तरह से आर्मी की ग्लोरियस हिस्ट्री को यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले किया गया। थैंक यू, नमस्कार, जय हिंद।
And for the first time ever, free entry for the general public. Don't just read about the future, be a part of it. Visit the New Delhi World Book Fair 2026 and experience knowledge like never before. Don't forget to follow Exhibition Showcase for more updates.